Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Coach Yoann. Today it is Wednesday, January 4th, and let me show you what I did today. So if we go back on a 5-minute here, this is SPX on the 5-minute now. We had a little bit of a sideways movement and flush. First of all, we were open, we were gap up, then we went higher a bit and then flush down. That's when the job report came out today, right? We flushed it down. Although it was not necessarily a bad report, it is what it is, I guess. Any news in this market is bad, so whatever. We went down here and then it was most likely an uptrend most of the day. And then we also had FOMC minute today, right? So as you can see, job report came out, flush down and then uptrend all day and sideways, little bit of flush. And then here is when the FOMC meeting started. FOMC minute, right? Not the entire meeting one. So we flushed it a bit and then went back up and then flushed big time and then went back up. And I'm like, all right, my bias today was to honestly, I think we'll flush big time. So I was like, you know what? It's job reports as well as, which doesn't bother me as much, job reports. But when FOMC is there that they have minutes or FOMC meeting, I just don't like it because IV is instantly high. And you don't know, it's more of a gamble versus trading, so I don't like to do it. But I was like, you know what? If I want to take one trade today, I'm gonna wait until the end of today. So for the IV to go a little bit lower and do a quick play. So we went back up over here, and as soon as we rejected, let me show you actually in 1 minute because you can see exactly what I did here. Where is it? Oops, I think I passed it. Yeah, I passed it. Okay, so we got rejected over here and we started a downtrend. And I'm like, you know what? I think we finally gonna flush for the rest of the day. Let's see what we do. So I decided to enter as soon as the price action will break the 90 EMA. So I bought two, boom. And we went back up, I bought two more. And I was like so convinced that we'll go down, but I'm like, I don't care. I'm not averaging down. Each time you touch the 9, I'm buying more because eventually we're gonna flush and I will sell in strength right away, which is what I did. So I bought 2, 4, 6, I think 10 total, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And we started to flush here, boom, I sold 2. And we flush here again, and I sold, I think, 4 right here. And then boom, I sold another 2 or 4 over here. Total, I think I had 10 total. Now, that being said, happy with the trade, but extremely stressful because it was sideways for a while, even though my bias was there that we will go down. I was still, losing a little bit of money here. Now, I was not averaging down per se. I just know, I had a bias. I was like, we're gonna flush down, and as soon as we flush with a big red candle, I'm selling in strength. So obviously, I bought that first one, I think, at 390, and the last one was around like 190, I think. And then I started to just, get out of the position as soon as possible because I wanted to also make sure that I get filled. So yeah, I made a total of I think 12%, more or less, like 11.50-ish % on that trade. My average total of my contract was 288 entry price, and I think I exited at that was 258, I think, and I exited at 288 or something like that. But long story short, I didn't make that much. I'm pretty happy still. I made $290 on this. Here, let's go see on monitor tab. That's how much I made, 290. Let's go see on the field order. Bought my first one at 390, then 290, 240, 190, and started to sell at 230. Then I bought one more at 185. Probably went back up real quick. Then I sold 235, 245, 370, 360. I think at the beginning of this video, that was almost at $12. Now it reversed, obviously. So yeah, interesting. But yeah, so a stressful trade, but I'm pretty happy with the results. I had my bias, I followed it. I know we'll flush eventually. If I would have waited over here, at some point over here, my contract were around about $12.90, which would have been almost 10 times my money, but I did not. I just wanted to cut it out in strength as soon as we flushed. So, and that's what I did. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, feel free to comment on this video. I'll be happy to answer your question or concern or whatever you want to say, as well as go on coachyoann.com if you want to book your one-on-one coaching mindset session with me. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much, and like and subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.